The name of the game is to stay in flow. You have to keep your energy fluid. It's not about giving somebody the win. It's not about giving them the upper hand. It's about staying balanced. This is why states of being such as resentment or anger or regret, these are energy or flowage stop it states of being. This means this type of state of being stops the energy flow from you to source and from source to you. All energy has message encoded in it. So when someone's sending you bad or negative energy, there's something in that energetic wave that you receive that makes you feel a particular way. If the name of the game is to stay in flowage, you have to learn to use your mind to transmute or to transform the energy, aka get a new perspective. Changing your perspective on what the energy you're receiving, what it means to you. For example, if you feel like someone doesn't like you or they're constantly picking at you, you have to transmute and transform that energy to mean something else. P. Diddy is a hot topic right now, but he is a prime example of an energy transmuter. For example, did you see that interview where he's talking about 50 cents and how 50 cents always is coming for him and everything like that? P. Diddy transmutes the energy to mean that 50 loves him. The fact that he keeps talking about him and he's always got something to say or he's always picking at him, P. Diddy transmuted that energy to mean that the reason why he's doing that is because he loves him so much. The frequency of love is fluid. The frequency of love is high vibrational. So if you transmute the energy that somebody's, always in your energy, always trying to pick at you, always trying to get at you, it means that they love you. So if you think about the person right now who constantly is contacting you after you told them not to, or if you think about the person who's always talking about you, always trying to get on your nerves, if you take that energy and you change your perspective and you see it as love, that this person loves you so much that they just can't leave you alone. If you transmute it like that, the way that you feel about the situation will change. The way your energy flowage will open back up and you'll feel your energetic sphere open up. This is the state of being that you need to be in order to receive messages from the divine, in order to be in flow, in order to continue to manifest the things that you want. When you allow somebody else's energy to dictate to you how you are seeing things and allowing their energy to manifest in you emotions of sadness, guilt, regret, anger, frustration, you are allowing them to stop your manifestations. You are allowing them to cut off your energetic flow and essentially cut you off from universe, source, God. So practice this. Practice taking the energy that people are sending you and transmute it into love by changing your perspective of what it means when they do things, when they say things, or when they pick at you. And then in addition to this, make sure you put up and set your boundaries and enforce them. This way, even though someone loves you so much that they just can't leave you alone, you are not allowing them to continue to contact you. You're not allowing them to do things because it's a boundary. This is how you overcome those energetic blockages that manifest from other people sending you negative energy. If you need more assistance, make sure that you leave me a comment below. And if you need anything else further explained, you can ask any questions. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you follow for more. And don't forget to click the link in the bio to leave a tip. I love you very much. Mwah.